In this video, we will solve this question. So we can write 1 by 3 as 3 to the power minus 1 to the power x square minus 2x divided by 16 minus 2x power 3, which is equal to, I can write 9 as 3 square to the power 1 by 4x. You can see that under root, and here we have 4x, so it will become 1 by 4x. Anything which is written over here, that will come here. Okay, so in algebra we have a rule that if we have two powers like this, we can multiply them together. So let's multiply this power with that power, and I will multiply this 2 with that 1 by 4. So it will become 3, and when I multiply that negative sign, it will be multiplied with the numerator only. So it will become minus 1 bracket, and I will write x square minus 2x divided by 16 minus 2x power 3. And similarly, I will multiply these two powers together, so it will become 3, and 2 will be multiplied with the numerator, so it will become 2 divided by 4x. Okay, so let's multiply that minus 1 inside the bracket with the numerator, so it will become minus x square minus 2x divided by 16 minus 2x power 3 and equal to 2 divided by 4x. So now we can simply cancel out this 3 with that 3. So now the powers will become equal to one another. So minus x square minus 2x which is equal to 2 divided by 4. By the way, this 2 will cancel out with that 4, so it will become 1 divided by 2x. Now we can simplify this by doing cross multiplication. So I will multiply this 2x with the numerator. Let me multiply them directly. So it will become minus 2x power 3 and minus 4x square. And when I multiply this with that 1, so it will become 16 minus 2x power 3. So now I will shift this x power 3 to that side. So it will become plus x power 3 and it will cancel out with this. Okay, so now let's further simplify that. So we have minus 4 here. Sorry, this is plus 4 as we multiplied that minus 1 inside the bracket. So this will become plus 2x. Okay, the sign will change. Okay, so that is plus 4x. So now we have 4x square equal 16. So let's divide both sides by 4. So x square is equal to 4. Take square root both sides. So x is equal to plus minus 2. That's the answer.